The South African government has apologised to the nation and the victims of a convicted rapist and murderer after he broke out of a maximum security prison. Thabo Bester faked his own death in a fire and managed to flee the country, only to be fortunately caught.
Scandals surrounding Thabo Bester's shenanigans never seem to end, and it also seems like those around his circles are just the same as him. I think that is the reason for that saying which goes by, birds of the same feathers flock together. One person who's closely linked to Thabo Bester and the skeletons in his closet is attorney Shelele Ndou, who is apparently accused of serious charges of attempted rape and assault. Ndou is a director at Ndou Attorneys Incorporated, and he obtained his certificate at Bloemfontein School of Legal Practice.
Challenging his arrest in Tanzania, or the process that was used to bring him back to South Africa.
We might be considering to go through the same route, but there's just few aspects that would want to converse with the client before that decision can be taken as final. So that matter, in as much as we have not taken action as yet, but it's not off the table. That issue is not off the table as yet. It's still
It has come to light that a case against him was opened in the Free State, and the case is currently before the Sexual Offences Court, and he was released on 1,000 rand bail. And his next appearance would be on the 21st of June 2023. It has also been alleged that Ndou would be represented in court by another lawyer who's also Thabo Bester's newly appointed lawyer, Jeremiah Pilar. Jeremiah is the founder and director of Pakadi Attorneys, and is also has a questionable character, just like his associates Ndou and Bester. In 2017, he was arrested for fraudulent activities and corruption and is undergoing a trial. This June, Pilar is expected to appear before a judge for corruption and a bribery scandal in a security tender. It is being reported that Pilar was accused of demanding a 1.2 million rand bribe from the security company's CEO for securing the company's contract.
Your colleague is facing criminal charges himself. Are you concerned on what bearing this might have on the matter? And has your client, or is your client aware of this, and has he raised any concerns? I'm talking about Mr. Thabo Bester.
Whenever he hears these things, sometimes they might make him have questions, the same questions that you are asking me. What impact is this going to have on the matter? But it's our responsibility and our duty as attorneys and lawyers to always keep our client at ease and explain things, and also the impact that certain things would have on a matter. But we have explained that. But I am saying that if ever Mr. Bester would have an issue with Advocate Pilar being part of the team, we will sit down as a team and have an understanding of how then do we deal with the matter. But
did he want him removed from the legal team, or did he want to terminate his services?
No. I don't think, I have not received that call from him to say, Mr. Ndou, I don't want Advocate Pilar to be part of the team. He just raised the questions that you are raising.
He is concerned, though.
I wouldn't say it's a concern per se, it's just questions.
Now, there are so many questions as to why shady lawyers seems to be interested in taking up Bester's case. Instead of people to be angry, they are actually surprised at this, and they're asking if this is indeed a coincidence or it takes a criminal to know one. Netizens are also asking if this is a pattern of events which shows a flawed government system and its integrity. One Colin KM wrote this on Twitter: I guess the lawyers are representing their role model, Thabo Bester. And another one said, well, Bester with his standard for education knows exactly how to choose them. He chose Dr. Nandi and the father for Isbindi, and he chose Dr. Pashi for Ukupapa, and he chose those 5 lowly paid correctional officials because they were broke. Now, he chose those lawyers with experience for breaking the law. Hey, give Thabo Bester a 4th-year degree. So guys, what do you all think about this? Does Thabo Bester carefully choose his associates according to their characters and backgrounds, or is just a coincidence? Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. That's all I had for you today. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share. Until next time, it's a bye for now.